As two cold fronts move off into the Indian Ocean, it's a fine and warm start to the weekend over most of South Africa. But ahead of an approaching cold front, an onshore circulation brings cloud and cool weather and rain overnight, especially for the southwest coast. So there's a 40% chance of rain mainly this evening for the Cape Metropole, but we're keeping the forecast for the rest of South Africa dry. It's going to be a warm afternoon in the north, 28 degrees in Upington and Polokwane, Pretoria warming up to 26 degrees, 24s in Johannesburg and Bloemfontein with lower 20s in the Eastern Cape, Durban with a high of 25 degrees, but cool weather in Sutherland and Cape Town with temperatures in the upper teens. Now let's see what the weather has in store along the coastline of South Africa. Ahead of the approaching cold front, northwesterly winds along the west coast, speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, with wind speeds only increasing overnight. There's an open ocean swell of 3 meters, while high tide is expected just before 8:30 this morning. It's going to be the last pleasant day along the southwest coast for this weekend. Northwesterly winds up to 35 kilometers per hour in False Bay, lighter winds towards Cape Agulhas, and there's an open ocean swell from the southwest at 3.5 meters. For the southern Cape coastline, offshore winds result in higher daytime temperatures as well as fine conditions. Wind speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour in Plettenberg Bay with an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters. Winds freshening in the vicinity of Port Elizabeth, reaching 30 kilometers per hour this afternoon. After light winds this morning along the Wild Coast, wind speeds will increase to 30 kilometers per hour with an open ocean swell of 3.5 meters, while low tide is expected at 14:21 this afternoon.
News that moves. eNCA.com